All right, we are going to be taking a look at this 08 800 Razor. No start. Going to be checking out a few things. Batteries already on a booster pack or charger, getting charged. Let's crank over real quick. Let's just see what she does. That fuel gauge is working. It says there's no fuel, but we'll assume that's not just the issue. I'm told it just won't start, so we'll check for spark, I think, and check for fuel pressure after that, and then go from there. Let's check for coolant level here. Level is good. Okay. What this one got is like aluminum, what looks like aluminum cooler system or a air filter system for the throttle body. They're hooked up to the throttle body. Also a small little turbo there. Okay, so we'll get this out of the way, and I can get a spark plug. All right, now we can see a spark plug. One here, one here. I'm gonna get my air compressor and blow all that dirt out of the way before I remove the spark plug. So I should always, before you remove your spark plug out of your motor, always blow your motor out. That area where the spark plug sits in, because there's a lot of dirt always sits in there. Don't want all of that to fall down in your motor. Okay, so now let's get a little extension. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. Find the plug cap. This one. Put that in there. Let's remove the other one. Boy, This one, I'll be saying that's the left side. Doesn't look good at all. Doesn't look like it ever been fired, or it is running lots of carbon buildup, even rust. Okay. This pressure is supposed to be Olden at around 3844 psi, and that, as you can see, is not. But we'll it's close. We'll say that possibly a cause of a no start. Throttle. So we are at 85 psi. Let's try that again. So our right side cylinder has zero compression, pretty much about 10 psi.